Hello, everyone. My name is Emily. I am a fourth year Bachelor of Social Work student with my minor in Disability Studies, and I am an Enriched Support Program facilitator. I'm here to talk to you folks today about the Enriched Support Program and what an amazing job being a facilitator is. So your first question is probably, what do facilitators even do? So facilitators lead a group study session, which we refer to as workshops, for a specific class. For myself, this was Social Work 1001 and Social Work 1002. These workshops have a maximum of about 20 to 30 students all year. And it's an amazing opportunity because it allows for you to develop leadership skills and to help other students qualify for university. A huge bonus is that it pays $22 an hour and runs for 10 to 12 hours per week. The Enriched Support Program is also really cool because it allows you to be a part of something bigger. So within this position, you get to help students qualify for admission to Carleton University. These students take regular first-year classes and attend weekly Enriched Support Program workshops for each class that they're taking. This helps students to build their academic skills and habits. And in fact, the program is so successful that around 80 to 90% of ESP students who fully participate do get admitted into a degree program. So why is this a great job for you? So first and foremost, great steady paycheck. Like I said, an average of around 10 to 12 hours per week, straight through from September to April. The job requires no marking, and there's tons of training, feedback, and support for all facilitators. It's a very tight-knit community, and it will help you improve your skills while working with others. So another huge bonus is, like I said, you get to get amazing experience. And a lot of this experience comes from working with a very diverse mix of people. ESP students are students who are not yet qualified for admission to a Carleton University degree program, but are able to do well at Carleton University with some specific supports. We mostly have recent high school graduates, but we also have a lot of college transfer and mature students. And these students are often coming from communities that face barriers to post-secondary education. So ESP helps facilitators develop some really important skills that employers are going to be looking for after university. Some of these skills include things like leadership, teamwork, communication, and planning, and also the ability to both give and receive feedback, problem solve, great flexibility, and organization as well. This job does, of course, come with some weekly duties, but this is kind of cool because it actually allows for your duties to be spread out throughout the week rather than sitting down for 8 hours one day and powering through. It offers some great flexibility. So weekly duties include attending lecture for around 2 to 3 hours, depending on the length of the lecture, planning your workshop, which typically starts at around 2 to 3 hours, and you're able to dwindle down as you gain more experience. Then you get to lead your workshop, which is really cool and is anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. You will have a weekly team meeting and hold a half-hour office hour every week. And one of the absolute coolest things about the position is the ongoing development and training that facilitators are provided. We do have in-service and pre-service training. And we also have the opportunity to both give and receive workshop observations and feedback, and receive feedback on our weekly lesson plans as well. This is a really great job to help students prepare for their future. It really cements the learning of the core material in your field. As someone who took the courses that I'm currently facilitating 3 years ago, it's been really cool to have a lot of that core material presented back to me again, and for me to be able to teach it to my students has been super reassuring and reaffirming of my education. It's helped me to become an even better student and has given me both classroom and online and office experience, and has added a super meaningful role to my resume. This has been a job that I have absolutely loved the entire time that I've been doing it and could not speak more highly of. All right, so now you've heard all about the position and you're probably thinking, well, do I qualify? Students who qualify to be an Enriched Support Program facilitator are entering their third year or above, have at least 2 credits in the discipline they're hoping to facilitate, have an 8.0 CGPA or higher, are friendly and approachable, desire to help students who may be struggling, and are open to both feedback and learning. We are actively searching for facilitators in all of the disciplines that you can see here on the slide and more. I want to thank you folks so much for giving me some of your time today. And I highly encourage you to reach out if you have any questions to esp.facilitators@carleton.ca and to check out both the website and our social medias. And hiring starts in April, so make sure that you folks are looking at your Carleton email. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay safe and good luck with the rest of your semester.